Have you ever wondered what's the point of the Seth Thomas black mantle clock? Bam. And here it is. You can see the gears and springs, the count wheel. You can see the escapement a little bit, but I'll show the back to see even better. Seth Thomas, Thomaston, Connecticut. The town was named Plymouth Howell, Connecticut. Before they renamed the town to Thomaston. So right before Seth Thomas died, the town name was Plymouth Howell, Connecticut. But now company owns Seth Thomas now, so they renamed it to Thompson, Connecticut. So that's a fact. But let me show you how the spring. You can see it a little bit because I already wound this before I made a video. See, there's a spring winding. And on the other side. I'm going to trim it right now. You will probably see the thing lifting up at a half hour. I tried, but that's your best view. And here's the back of the movement. There's the recoil escapement. So Seth Thomas logo. And a closer look at the eels at the back. And there's the handle. And now I'm demoing it on the back side. There's the flywheel. The pendulum was replaced by a way when I bought it because the original pendulum didn't want the clock to go, so I replaced the pendulum. and it works fine with a pendulum on. Here's your directions label. And yeah. That's all for today's clock. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.